Hey guys, how you doing? What's up? Welcome to my channel, Jewish Education at Home. If this is your first time here, my name is Chana and I make videos about Judaism, spirituality, Jewish life, and also we homeschool, so I talk about homeschooling as a Jewish family. And I would love for you to subscribe and like this video because it really helps support my channel. Okay, let's get started. Today we're going to talk about wigs. So let me take this one off because this is really my wig. I'm going to show you both of them. I have two wigs, shaitels, okay? We call them shaitels. Kind of feels funny to say wig. But I wear a wig. This is not my real hair. My real hair is underneath. I have beautiful hair. I have curls. But it's not for everyone to see. And the reason why I cover my hair, very simply, is because I'm married. Okay, so my hair is something that is private for me and my husband. My husband's the only male that will see my hair. Now, why is it specifically a wig? Why not tichels or scarves or anything? And scarves are beautiful, and there's amazing ways that you can wrap it so that it looks really, really gorgeous. But we're Chabad, and it's a Chabad custom to cover our hair with a sheitel or a wig, and not primarily a tichel or a scarf. But for me, I'm comfortable wearing a sheitel, and I do try to follow in the Rebbe's teachings. And he was very pro sheitel. Hair covering is the crown that a Jewish wife wears on her head. I look at my sheitel as like my crown. And of course, my husband also wears a crown, and his crown would be me, his wife. And I'm not saying that to be funny or to joke. I mean, I'm very serious. The crown that a husband wears is from his wife. And the crown that I wear is what I use to cover my hair. I elevate my husband by being who I am and by doing what I do. And myself, I elevate myself by the covering that I use for my hair. And now, chas v'shalom, I just want to say I'm not putting anybody down, and if you don't cover your hair and you're a Jewish married woman, I'm not saying that you should cover your hair. I'm just sharing with you my personal experience. I do not judge anybody. People who know me in my personal life know that nobody gets judged in our home. Nobody. Okay, you are free to be yourself, but this is who I am, and I'm just sharing with you a little bit about how I look at my personal hair covering. I look at it as my crown, and I look at it as a way to uplift my husband as well. Okay, so just really briefly before I take this off and show you, not my real hair, show you what this looks like, you know, how it all works, how it sticks onto my head. I have two sheitels. This one I wear weekday. Like, you know, it's shorter, it's just more lighter, it's more comfortable. Not that the other one's not uncomfortable. It's a little longer, it's a little more prettier, and I'll show that to you. I'm gonna turn the camera around, and here we go. Meet my wig. And this is, it's on a head, and I keep this on my dresser, okay? And this one I wear, this is my second sheitel, and I wear this one on Shabbos, and I wear this one like if I'm going to a wedding or somewhere where I wanna look a little bit nicer. It's got some layers, it's got some highlights. Now, how much did this cost? This one was $6.50, and the shorter one that I'm wearing was $4.50. And that is cheap for a wig. That is cheap for a sheitel. Usually they can run up to $2,500. I mean, they can run very expensive. So let me show you what it looks like underneath. It has a comb here. This goes to the top of your head. It combs right through your hair. And then there's clips here on the side, okay? And then at the bottom it adjusts. You can make it bigger or you can make it tighter, depending on your head size. And then it comes with a little tag. This is a Malki wig, in case you're wondering. I bought this one on WhatsApp. I had such a good experience with Malki wigs, Baruch Hashem. It does get a little matted at the bottom, especially in the summertime. I usually brush these right before I put them on. So I brush these very gently with this brush. It has like, I don't know, these kinds of, whatever that is called. That's what it looks like. And I just go very gently. when I brush it, because I don't want to rip the hair out. Because if you keep wearing and tearing and pulling and whatever, it does, the hair does rip out. So this sheitel right now is like, really needs to get washed. It's been quite a bit of time since I washed it, and it feels oily and it doesn't feel good. So I'm gonna wash it for you. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put this one on, and I'll show you how I wash it. I first want to make this disclaimer that this is not a sheitel washing tutorial. Okay, I know how to wash a sheitel, or my own sheitel I should say, because when I first moved to Pennsylvania, in the town that I used to live in, there was a lady there who would wash sheitels. That was what she did for a living, and she taught me as a gift how to wash my own sheitel. Alright, let's take my wig. I'm going to do this right in my bathroom sink. Here it is all washed, and it's drying here on this sheitel head. I know you could dry it, blow dry it, and style it. There's ways to style it with a curling iron and the, I don't know what they're called, like the rolling, you know, you like roll them up. Rolling pins? I don't know, whatever they're called. There's different ways to style it so that it looks really nice. I'm pretty simple. I just let it dry as is, and you know, that's it. I don't style it or blow dry it. But in the meantime, I don't wear this when it's wet. I just wear the one I'm wearing, the longer one, until this one dries. So I hope you learned something new about sheitels and Jewish life. And please make sure to subscribe, because it greatly supports my channel when you do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.